Assalamualaikum students. Today's we are going to start correlation coefficient. What is the other name of this formula? In our previous lecture, we have discussed correlation, scatter diagram, positive correlation, negative correlation, no correlation, some properties of correlation. Measurement of correlation. This is a formula of correlation coefficient. This is also called Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation, who started this concept, and it shows how one variable behave when other variable change, and it is a quantitative method. It shows the direction of a correlation. Coefficient of correlation or correlation coefficient is shows by r, presented by r. If r is equal to 0, then it shows the no relationship correlation between two variables, and if the r is show +1, then it's mean the positive correlation between two variables, and if the value of the one is in negative or in minus, then it shows the negative correlation between two variables. In this formula, summation x y minus n is total number, x mean, y mean, divided by root x summation x square minus n is total number, and mean square. Here is summation y square minus n and y mean square. Uh, Here is a other formula of correlation coefficient, in which n summation x y n is total. Here is a other formula of coefficient correlation coefficient, in which n summation x y, these are the two variables, and minus summation x summation y divided by root n summation x square minus summation x whole square, multiply with summation n summation y square minus summation y whole square. Here is n is total number, which is we multiply with summation x square, and minus from summation x whole square. Same here, like n multiply with summation y square minus from summation y whole square. Let's solve one example. This is a In this question, we will calculate summation x y, x mean, y mean, and summation x mean square, y mean square, y square. summation y square. Here is the data. These are the x variable, these are the y variables, and x y is simply we multiply x with y. 2 multiply with 18, 4 multiply with 12, 5 multiply with 10, and this is a x square, 2 square, or 4 square, 5 square. This is a y square, like 80. We take the square of 18, we take the square of 12, we take the square of 8. This is a mean, x mean, y mean, summation x divided by n. For mean of x, we calculate all the take the sum of the x variable and divide it by 6, and for the y, we simply take the sum of the y variable and divided by n. N is a total number, and 60 multiply divided by 6, and the answer is 10. So the mean of x is 6 and mean of y is 10. Sum of x is 36, sum of y is 60, sum of xy is 293, sum of x square is 266, sum of the y square is 706. I put the values, all the values according to formula, and the first step is we multiply 6 by 6 and 10, and the answer is 360. Then we minus the 293, minus 293 minus 360, and the answer is minus 67. And this is the second part of the formula, in which we multiply 6 with 6 whole square. 6 multiply with, and the answer is 216. Second part, minus 266. And then 6 multiply with 10 square root, and the answer of this is 600. 706 minus 600, and let me solve. The answer of this part is minus 67. 266 minus 216, the answer is 50. Multiply with 706 minus 600, the answer is 106. And thus first we multiply 50 with 106, and then we multiply 67 divided by 72.82. The answer of this part is 72.82, and the answer is 0.92 minus, and this shows the negative relationship or correlation between stray and expenditures. This is a question number 15. X is the weight of father and y is the weight of son, and simply xy, x square, y square. We take the square of 65, we take the square of 67, simply we multiply 65 with 67. This is the mean of x and this is the mean of y. The mean of x is 68.25, the mean of y is 68.87, and this is the value of the summation x y, summation x square, summation y square, summation x, summation y, and I put the values according to formula, and the answer of this part is 19.98, and the answer of this part is 35.4, and the answer is 0.56, which shows the positive relationship. I solved this question with other formula, This is a n summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n summation x square minus summation x whole square multiply with um, n summation y square minus summation y whole square, and I put all the values. The answer of this part is 138 and the answer of this part is 250.92. And when we divided 138 with 250.92, the answer is 0.56, which shows the same answer. And we use the both formulas, and mostly it depends upon examiner.